I'm just going to give you a video of the Sony INZONE H9 wireless gamers headset. So I'm just going to show you what you get in the box, how they're presented, what the earphones look like and where all the buttons are located. So first of all, it's nicely presented. You've got, let's take it out the back bit first. You've got your USB-A to USB-C charging cable. In the written review, I'll give you the length of that, which looks quite long anyway. You've got your pack of paperwork, which I'll look all that in a minute. Put that there. You've got like loads of little bits of paperwork, so I'll have a look at that all in a little while. Then you've got your transceiver dongle, which has a switch on the side for PS5 and PC, which basically you can slide it backwards and forwards, so you can select which obviously device you're plugging it into. Then you've got your actual headset themselves, the H9s. I'll lift the actual headset out. The box has some information. You've got your QR code. It just tells you basically where to plug the transceiver dongle into your PC or PlayStation 5. You've got your how to power the headset on, and obviously your Sony INZONE hub as well. So let's lift the actual headset out. First things first, I noticed the actual build quality feels very premium. Obviously it's Sony. The colour scheme follows the actual PlayStation 5, which I like, is black and white. The actual ear cushions themselves, the swivel, so nice for obviously for storing and placing around your neck and stuff like that, will sit flat, so it's just good. The ear cushions themselves are super plush, along with the actual overhead band. The actual headphones adjust, so should fit a good variety of head sizes. So at the base of the actual headphones, so you got buttons, so we'll go through the buttons. So what I'll do is I'll start from the right ear cup. So basically starting from the front, you've got your power on and off for the headphones, you got your Bluetooth, and then you got buttons for your game and chat. That's your right ear cup. Your left ear cup, I'll spin it around this way first so you can see. You got your mic boom, which has a little soft click, which I hope you can hear when you lift it. So, and then you got your USB-C charging point with a little indicator. You got your ambient noise and active noise cancellation button, and then around the back you got a scroll wheel for your main volume, which obviously just spins. So what I noticed as well is that all the buttons are nicely spaced out, so easy to access, which is another good thing for when you're gaming. So let's power them on. So turn it on. Before I didn't mention as well about the actual microphone. I like the design as well because it's flexible, so you can adjust it, which is good as well. So let's power them on. So beep, and yeah, the tops of the ear cups have got LED lighting, like a blue. So that's a nice added feature as well. Finishes off the gamer's side of it, which I like. Let's just try them on quickly. Yeah, nice and comfortable. But in a written review, I'll let you know how I find them from wearing like long periods of time, the battery life, what that's like, how long they take to charge, just general usage, how easy they are to set up and things like that. So I hope you found the actual video that I've showed you a close-up view of where the buttons are located, how they look and feel to me, and say everything else I'll write up in the written review. So I hope you found this helpful.
Hola, buenas tardes. Buah, estos son unos auriculares serios. Estamos hablando de serio. O sea, igual ese es el volumen. Tiene cancelación de ruido. Y la verdad es que son una pasada. Nada más que subirle el micrófono. Se cancela el micrófono. Y la verdad es que yo pruebo unos cuantos auriculares de juego. Y yo les doy un 10 sobre 10. Además, buah, la vez que los probé. Madre mía, lo he probado tanto en PS5, en PS4 como en ordenador. Aquí si veis, que no sé si se verá, aquí hay tiene un USB que se ve para PS5 o PC. PS5 o PS4, da lo mismo. El caso es que se escucha de vicio. Igual que os digo que los Sony normales por ejemplo, poner con Bluetooth tiene un poco de limitación de voz. Esto no tiene limitación de voz. Esto, vamos, es que antes inclusive de que llegue el enemigo ya lo estás sintiendo por detrás. De hecho, te da la tentación de mirar por detrás. Venga, están muy chulos. La verdad es que sí.